Here's part 2 of our video for our 150-ton Accudyne, 500 degree temperature, full tonnage. No issues today. You can see we're at about 38 minutes remaining. Thermocouplers are registering nicely, and the controllers pretty accurate. Even with not running any water through the chiller for our 8-hour test, our oil temperature still below 120. Really liking what we're seeing. Here's a video of our 150-ton Accudyne holding full pressure, full tonnage. We're just over 5 hours in. All of our zones are steady at 500. No leakage from the cylinders. We did have a leak yesterday in our first attempt. This gauge right here on the hydraulic unit broke, and that's where we got our leakage. Right now, everything seems to be going pretty good. Our oil temperature, let's see if we can see it here, right around 116-ish. Not too bad. We're not running any water through the chiller. Our caution point on the oil is if we get up around 130, we'll have to shut it down. Everything's looking pretty good right now. And we'll check back in about 3 hours.